We prioritize quality immensely. We possess our own factory where we design and develop speaker components specifically for manufacturing line array equipment. The materials we select are unparalleled in the industry, utilizing birch plywood sourced from either the United States or Russia for the cabinets. Our voice coils are capable of enduring temperatures as high as 600 degrees Celsius, ensuring that even sudden spikes in power won't compromise the integrity of our speakers. Unlike conventional speakers that utilize standard magnets, we incorporate aviation-grade magnets. High-quality magnets retain their magnetism for up to 15 years. Medium-quality ones for approximately 8 years, and lower-quality ones for about 5 years.